You go on your holidays? Let's go. We made it round the corner, wait to go back. Carol forgot a dog's lead for Brenna. This is a usual occurrence, we usually run about here 2 or 3 times before we get to go. This is why we always leave in plenty of time, build in some space. Here she goes. Now the flap will be now, have a lock the door. Check my lock the door. Have a lock the door. Yes, the door's locked. Yes. Look at her. Oh, you can't see. This is what you get. Have a lock the door. Look, the handle's coming off. Have you locked the door?
I've locked the door.
Are you sure you've locked the door?
Can you check?
Can I check I've locked the door?
God, please, I want to
No,
enjoy
you
my
will.
holiday.
You will, it's fine.
Did you see me lock it?
I seen you lock it. Right, it took us about 5 minutes to get through the check-in. Great. It's really quiet. There's nobody here today. No, I wonder where Carol's going to be aiming for. At least we've got company. Oh, choices. We tried something different this holiday. Normally we catch the 6 o'clock flight out of Aberdeen, but it's always a bit of a race in the morning to get going. So this time we tried the 3 o'clock flight, which meant there was less of a panic, and we managed to drop off Brenna in the kennels in the morning, get to the airport, and as you can see, it's very, very quiet. Sorry. So lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So we arrived at the lounge about 12:30, 1 o'clock. We're in between services. They just finished the breakfast, then about to set up for the lunch. But as you can see, we had the place to ourselves. So we settled down for some tea and coffee and some sandwiches, and then maybe an hour and a half to kill. Luckily there was a good selection of wines to keep me happy, so we made our way through to the comfy seats and just sat and chilled out. Right to end. Good plan, good plan. I see you just get to go and run up the stairs. Right. Oh. Is that us?
Yeah.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we
No.
needed.
Oh, I thought you were offering me.
Absolutely not, I'm showing the people.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can miss out. I'm done
Good.
living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
So after a lovely afternoon tea on board and a wee bottle of wine from myself, we started our descent into London.
With me. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
So an hour and a half after leaving Aberdeen, we landed in London Terminal 5.
I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me.
The flight to Vienna was leaving from Terminal 3, so you just follow the purple signs down to the transfer bus. So after barely surviving the security checks going through Terminal 3, we made our way into Lounge F, and we just had a cup of tea and a wee cake here, getting ready for our flight to Vienna.
Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
Right, we've just landed in Vienna. We tried something different this time. We haven't got any transportation from the airport to the hotel booked. So what we thought is we would just try and catch a train. So we got the tickets, everybody else started running for the train, so like a pair of feels, we started running as well, jumped on the train, no idea where it was going, and then at the last minute we jumped off, only to find it was the right train. So now we've got to wait another 20 minutes until another train comes along. So we should have just stuck to our guns and stayed on the train. What's the worst that could have happened? We could have ended up, well, I don't know where we could have ended up actually. It's late, what is it? 11:30, 10:30 Scotland time. But we'll get there eventually. So mini fridge, coffee, teas, safe, sink, and a shower. Toilet. It's a nice big bed, isn't it? And look at this. So you can lie in your bed and watch you showering. There's a record player. There's records downstairs, you just pick them up. A yoga mat, that'll be handy. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, he said to use the iPad to get in touch because it's like a phone.
Yeah.